Hi, this is Bob Maslin, Blade on the HomeSeer message board, and today I want to talk to you about BLML2HS. So that is main lobby to HomeSeer and vice versa. Let's start up the plugin. Um, this plugin consists of a HomeSeer plugin, which is BLML2HS, and a main lobby plugin, which is BLML2HS as well, but it's for ML Server 4. So to get that, it's on my website in the downloads under ML Server 4 plugin. Underneath the section for the HomeSeer plugin, you can download the latest here, 4.0.3. Okay, let's start here. So this best to start with the options. So for this plugin, the HomeSeer plugin basically is the server for the ML main lobby plugin. Enter the IP address of the actual machine where HomeSeer is running and this plugin is running, as well as a port. I use 2520. You could use whatever port you want. Just make sure you open it in your firewall to allow connection back and forth. Number of seconds to check if the client connection is active, 30 seconds. So it will check to see if the client is still connected. It basically sends a heartbeat to it, if you will, to see if it's still alive. If it's not, then it will try to get the connection again with the client. Debug logging, very important for troubleshooting any issues. If you have an issue, put a ticket in on my website, turn debug logging on, capture the issue, turn debug logging off, and attach the log, preferably zipped up, to the ticket on the help desk. Status page is pretty basic, shows you that the ML server client is connected, and the server status in the HomeSeer plugin is started. And you can stop that if you want, and it will disconnect all the clients that are connected to it. The main function of the plugin is in the devices page. So this basically lists all of your HomeSeer devices, and it will you put a check mark beside the ones that you want to send over to main lobby, and it will create a variable for you on the main lobby side for basically the status, the device code. It'll create a device code variable, a status variable, value, device string, for any one of these that you select. So the ones with checks are the ones that are going to be going over. The ML code column is some HomeSeer device codes, such as %. Some of the characters are not valid in main lobby, and that's where this thing comes into play. You can make this %5 on the HomeSeer side, but on main lobby you could change it to whatever you wanted. Since it has to do with a let's use this window for example. You could call it window 01, and it will create a variable on the main lobby side called window 01, and this %6 will be mapped to that. When the variable goes over to main lobby, it will show as window 1 instead of %6. That's the way to get around the invalid characters on the main lobby side. But it will create a lot of variables for you. There's a lot of different functions you can use on the main lobby side. Let's just go through them here. Here's the HomeSeer device variables in main lobby server. So it will create a variable called BLML2HS underscore the device code. It will create one called device code underscore code, which will hold your device code, the name, the reference, the value, and the last changed. This one here holds the device string. Here's the examples: B1, A11, A11 code, A11 name. Pretty straightforward. This format is used in ML Server 4 and later. So let me just, I want to go down to the scripting methods here, or maybe just go through a few. So from the main lobby side, you can call HomeSeer functions from main lobby to do whatever you need it to do. To turn a light on, to toggle a device, disable an event, turn, exec x10, HS launch to launch a program, run a script, send an email, send an IR command, set a device string. You can do all sorts of these, and all of these are here documented in the help for you to go through and use if you need to. One thing that I use a lot is this one here, this HS plugin. If you want to make a call to a function in a plugin, you can use this format to do it. So you call HS plugin, the name of the plugin you want to run, the function in the plugin, and then the variables. So basically you're passing in an integer of 4 and an integer of 1. So this toggle speaker is expecting 2 integers, and this is how you pass them here. So you can pass in, if it's expecting a string, this one's expecting a category as a parameter, and you're passing in a string of work. So it's going to enable all the reminders for the work category. Pretty straightforward. Hope this has been helpful in helping you understand how to set this up and how to use it. That's all for now. Thanks.